Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you the simplest trading strategy for beginners. Anyone can make money with it. This is the strategy that helped me get out of poverty, and I hope it helps you too. Watch closely, let's go. I'm going to trade with no indicators, just basic technical analysis. Set your chart to 1 minute Japanese candles and 1 minute expiration time. I've got $100 on my balance, and let's see how much we can grow it during this trading session. This currency pair has a clear support and resistance level. As soon as the price hits that resistance, I'm opening the trade down. It's a very comfortable currency pair, one we just can't miss. So our $100 is now in action. Let's hope everything goes as planned, no surprises, let's watch it. One minute was enough for the price to reverse, just like we predicted, and now we've got $192 in the pocket. Let's not stop here and move on to the next trade. Oh, the price pulled back, perfect time to grab some more profit from the same spot. Look closely, the price hit the resistance level and just can't break through. It's out of options, the only way now is down. Nice, we made $368 just standing in one spot. That's awesome. But the price has already moved down, so let's thank this currency pair and move on. No need to wait around, time to find the next one. Look, the price hit the resistance level again, two candles couldn't break through, and the next one is red. That's a clear sign of a trend reversal and a great chance to grow our balance. Right now the price isn't moving much, but we still got time. One minute was just enough to take the profit again. Now we've got $700 in the balance. Let's keep going. While I'm looking for the next signal, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You will find the platform link there too. This currency pair is in a downtrend, but there's a strong support level that has worked many times before. I believe it will not fail us this time either. The price dropped slightly below the level, not a great sign, but we still have time. That's a win. The trades today have been a bit tense, price reverses at the very last moment, but honestly that makes it even more exciting. And now we've got $1,300 on the balance. Whoa, that's a strong resistance level. I'm pretty sure the price will not be able to break through. It's already moving down fast. Gotta open a trade now to catch it in time. $2,600 on the balance, and I was thinking about stopping. But since the price is pulling back again, I just can't miss this chance. And that's another great win. What an amazing trading session. 4,700 from just 100. This is exactly why I love trading. A bit of pressure today, but we made money and that's what counts. The key is to stay calm and in control, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. All links are in the description. See you next time. Bye bye.